got me when your check came home. I've been waiting patiently cause you my homie, bro. But times is getting hard, so I'ma need to see that cheddar though. You ain't been picking up, you finding escapes. I might have to white you out just like you Colgate. You been ducking at the crib thinking that you safe, but little do you know I'm posted right up in your driveway. I'ma beat you up, I'ma tear you down, I'ma turn your little smile into a big ol' frown. Cause evidently you don't wanna send a message now, and you holding to my money like you Oscar proud. I'ma find you, and I'ma get you. I'ma stick into your head just like I'm Cantu. It's a couple things in life I'll make amends to, but owing me some money, hell no, this a no can do. 17. Yeah. Day 10. At this point I'ma have to just cave your face in. Damn, you think I forgot about all them payments? Boy, I'm on your ass with my mask on just like I'm Jason. I know that you bounded to get complacent. Popped out the smoker, asked Tay-Tay about how her day went. Just know I've been plotting and I've been waiting. Might hit you with the orange Bronco just like I'm Peyton. You need to get my money, come on. This ain't no sweet life, I'ma need to get my bread and no song. You want IG and your Da Vinci and your shirts be long, but in real life you broke it in a Paul George fibula bone. I know you gon' pay me when the time's right, but the time is now, I'm finna knock out your lights. Got you thinking shoulda never tweaked on me twice, and had you curving up that hill just like a turnpike. Give me my money and stop playing. Do y'all know somebody that owe y'all some money? Yeah. Man, give me my money.
Nggak perlu, nanti anda bilang dia nanti pulang ke sana. Jadi
damn. Give me my money.
Yeah.
Give me my money. Give me my money. Came into the city, give me bread and the peso. Give me one. Then have to wave up. Any longer, I'ma have to call weirdo. Get the hammer, then spread you like Fago. Give me that bread. Give me that bread. Give me that bread. Give me that bread. Give me that bread.
Terjun saudaraku dari atas pasir kan? Nah, ini nggak bercampur dengan air aja.
Pass a drink to get the vibe right. Don't feel like having a Bud Light. Plus tequila with some salt and lime. Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Don't say that, you're looking real nice. We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, just so